Welcome back, YouTube. Back with another episode today. We are hanging out with my Unity crew, and as you can see, a few cars behind me that are all Lexuses so far. So today we're gonna go to a meet down in Fort Lauderdale. We are all riding out, but today we got a couple of the cars that are gonna look good. There's my car, Dre's car, that's Mike's car, and then back there is Max's car. So this is Dre's RC 350. He has a Nia front lip side skirts. He has Vossen 19-inch wheels, or maybe 20s. I'm not sure. Pretty sure they're 19s or 20s, but Vossen wheels and the 326 power rear wing. And if you want to follow his car, that's his Instagram. And this one is called Ghost. It's a 2017 Lexus RC 350. He has the Nia aftermarket F badge for the front. Custom mirror caps. Ooh, just fell. And it's white on white. So next up, who do we got? We have Mike's car. Mike has a 2021 RC 350 with a Nia kit as well. What I said RC? Correction. White IS 350. Sorry. Let's just talk about Dre's car. White on black. What's your wheels? What are your wheels? Got Nietzsche 20 inches, all black. And like I said, front Nia kit, vivid vinyl light cover, rocking the Unity banner as well. And these are the boys. Boys, say what up. Gang, gang, gang.
I can't take my hands off this car.
Mr. I gotta spend it all and want it all. Max, tell me about your car. What do you got on it?
This is a Kasama Auto Japan carbon hood.
Uh-huh.
I have Ray's 57 CRs, gun blues.
Woo! I should put like the price tag with each one. That's gonna be in the edit.
Carbon fiber mirror caps.
Uh-huh.
I have RSR active coilovers. I have a Tom's controller, like for the pedal commander type of thing.
So you got a throttle controller too.
Yeah, I got a
So
throttle controller.
if you didn't watch the last video, make sure you get a throttle controller. You'll see why in the last video.
I have a Rowan carbon fiber trunk lid from Japan, but it's being re-cleared right now.
Okay.
I also have a Tom's Racing rear chassis brace.
Nice.
Thank you.
Now what's under the hood?
I have a Takeda axle back. I have a Apexi mid pipe that is custom made, so it's a double H pipe without resonators. I have PP headers, race headers, on two cabinets. I also have, not too much under the hood, but I have R Racing carbon fiber intake with a Tom's Racing filter. I have Cusco Japan strut bar, and I have a R Racing tune.
Nice.
And
Mr. Copyright over there.
Yes, Jesse.
Uh-huh.
also I have a Kakimoto muffler, I forgot what they call it, ground wire. And I also have, what else? I have,
Tom's engine oil cap.
yes, I have some big brakes. And the car's going to be wrapped within the next couple weeks. I also have a Tom's Japan carbon fiber steering wheel and custom carbon fiber shifters. Ready shift knob. That's actually, I got a new one on the way that's going to be a little nicer. And I have a Sard Racing dead pedal. from the race car. I also have a Lexus rear diffuser that they use on the RC350 race car in Japan, and the front lip of the Lexus that they use on the race car also in Japan, but right now it's also getting wrapped.
All right.
So quite a few things done, but still not where I want it to be.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
I got a new wing that I'm going to be putting on, a new GT wing.
Nice. So
Yeah,
this is
so
Max's car. Here is his Instagram, but he needs to add pictures of his car to his Instagram so everybody can follow it.
I got to
Look at this carbon fiber. That is clean. How much does this weigh?
I'm not too sure, but I know it's really light. It's the one they use on the Kasama drift car in Japan. You see how they blended, like with black paint in Japan, they have this special paint process, and all around the edges, it's basically to make it more defined.
That is nice.
You like that?
That's nice.
Thank you, man.
It's like a shadow to it.
Finally something. That's nice.
I want to watch.
What's happening, bro?
What up, buddy? How's it going?
Chilling, man.
So the other twin of the blue.
Good, man.
Oh, if I have to drop it, you'll see what it looks like. You want me to do it for you?
No, we're gonna wait because you're gonna be in the
After-
grass.
After show, for sure.
I'll be literally.
Bro, I want to give you the.
That's
the
your
wing.
drive height.
Oh, can we do it?
I gotta see.
What, the wing?
Yeah.
I want to give it to
Which wing? The one in your trunk?
Yeah.
What's in your trunk? The wing or the lip?
The wing.
The lip is in the trunk.
Yeah, the lip is in the front, yeah.
You got the duck bill.
Most likely. Yeah.
You don't want the duck?
Yeah, I do.
You can't put both.
You can't.
No, you can't. You can't have them on top of each
Never
other.
forget it. No.
My foot's wet. Ordered? No. Let's just go. I'll eat
You
there.
said you were gonna order, and now I'm hungry.
All right. Well, I'm getting distracted about the food.
I don't know if it'll work.
No, it won't. It won't sit there.
They have this version and then the version that don't have
So
this.
it's not
That's
gonna
sort
work.
of
I was
obviously
gonna give it
the
to you,
Lexus.
honestly.
I
But
mean,
it's also.
give it. If anything, give it to.
I was thinking that, yeah.
Give it to
Jared,
Jared.
would you rock it?
No, I'm not drilling holes in mine.
No, it doesn't
Clamp.
drill.
Oh, it's the one that
It's
clamps? Maybe.
Try it out, dude. It looks nice.
Bro, it'll look sick.
I'll try it for a little while.
Do it, man.
All right, guys. I'm getting a wing. I'm getting a carbon fiber wing. We'll see.
You told Max to stop at this phase. We kept going, kept going.
This one look crazy. You see how they.
We need to line up the cars right here.
That's crazy. Really, the ass back.
Like, put you in the middle.
Let's
do it.
Put you in the middle. Have two RCs on this side, two RCs on that side.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that right now. Let's do that. Lineup looks awesome. My car, Dre's car, Mike's car, Michael's car, and Max's car.
Oh, I didn't even hear it out.
See how it plays a trick?
Yeah.
I wish I had a drone. You know what sucks? I don't have my little GoPro mount, so I can wear a chest piece.
What happened to it?
I don't know. I don't know where the mount is.
Oh.
Probably at home as usual.
Yeah, it might be in probably with the rest, right?
Well, no, everything else is in my bag in my car. So I might have taken it out for the day and left it somewhere.
You know what's funny is when you least expect to find it is when you're gonna find it.
I mean, or I could just get another one. Just don't have it in the moment I need it. Right? Better to have it and then not need it than need it and not have it.
Yeah.
tonight.
All right, this is why. I'll explain. It's a decision that I made that I hope you guys respect the decision.
We
The
do.
reason is I'll explain why. I understand the car. Of course, the car looks nice, but right now it's under construction to the point where I just took off the lid. I'll show you the back. Let me show you the front. Right now, in 3 weeks, the car's gonna be done. I'm gonna be out with you guys all the time.
Oh, this?
I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel confident bringing it like this because I don't want people to see my car this way. Even though everybody's still gonna be like, "Wow, it's a beautiful car."
Yeah.
It's just, it's how I feel. Okay. And I'm gonna see people there that I used to hang out with.
But they're gonna respect the build.
No, but I'd rather just.
It's a work in progress.
Listen, there are people who come with clapped out Civics and
know,
front
but
panels hanging
I'm
off.
different.
Yeah.
That's just like I said. That's just how I.
It's a meat. It's not like a low and clean show.
Yeah.
But
People are coming in also with work in progress. Like mine is still a work in progress.
Mine is.
That's crazy. I promise you. Listen,
Max,
today,
that is what your car looked like before,
I know, but it never had bags.
with the exception of
The
bags.
bags are another level. That setup is sick.
Are your tips angled?
That's the way that the exhaust is. It's meant to be. Though.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Japanese. It's a style.
Yeah.
It actually looks really good.
Wait, you bought his muffler?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know this, bro.
I
Weren't
bought.
you guys both here?
Yeah.
I didn't do your.
No,
I didn't
no.
do your muffler.
No, you were here that day. You were.
No, he was under the car.
Remember?
And he couldn't find the bolts.
Dude, you remember?
It was raining.
Yeah.
I must have dropped something off
You
or picked
did,
something
you
up.
did. You
Because I
dropped it
wasn't
off.
here the whole time.
You dropped it off and then I continued. Dre was with me the whole time.
Oh, you got blue tint.
What do you mean?
No,
No, these are dark tints.
your tint looks blue.
What? Oh, dude, the clip just came off. Like one day, like I was parking, and then my lip got caught in something, and like it pulled it off, so I haven't been able to push it back in. I gotta do that myself. I'm just being lazy.
All right, so we're gonna leave here now and go head to the show. Well, to the car meet. Alright everybody, that's the video. If you liked seeing me and my crew, hit that like button and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and catch us on the next one.